Hey there! Welcome to Breeze Check-In. Let's start by picking your language, then tap your appointment to get started. Want to tweak your plans? No problem, just hit Reschedule or Cancel right here. Great! Now please confirm your birth month, day, and year. Then tap Begin Check-In to continue. Next up, your basic info. Give your name, contact, and address a quick glance to edit anything that's changed. If you've got insurance, you can snap photos of your card for fast upload, or enter policy details by hand. Choose primary, secondary, or other. Let's talk allergies. Tap Add Allergy or No Known Allergy. For example, salmon oil, mild, anaphylaxis. Next, we have medications and pharmacy. Either snap a picture or type in the name, dosage, sig, and diagnosis manually, then hit Save. You're almost there. Fill out your family and social history and add conditions, surgeries, or hospital stays with just a tap. See a balance? Enter an amount, put in your card details, and tap Pay Now to settle up. You can also rate your check-in and share any feedback. You're all set. Thanks for checking in with Breeze. Don't forget to add this to your calendar.